guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Miele Dishwasher error F78. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So F78 indicates that the circulation pump is obstructed, possibly due to debris buildup or drying out, causing it to seize. To resolve this issue, start by removing the filter units, then create a solution of warm water mixed with 3 to 5 drops of rinse aid and pour it into the filter area. Now, allow this mixture to soak for approximately 5 minutes and afterwards rerun the dishwasher program. It might be necessary to repeat this procedure 2 or 3 times for optimal results. Now, should the problem persist, try resetting the machine by switching off the power for 30 seconds before running the program again. Now, if none of these steps resolves the issue, it is recommended to schedule a repair visit through the online service for further assistance. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.